Welcome to Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Today, in this video, we are going to talk about the subject Water Supply Engineering for third semester Civil Engineering program. Unit 2, Session 23, Treatment of Water, course Outcome 2, CO2. Before going to discuss about today's session, let's recap the previous sessions, what all we have come across. In last session, we have studied about sedimentation, sedimentation with coagulation, some of the feeding devices for adding the chemical coagulants. The devices are used. So those devices are dry feeding devices and wet feeding devices. So dry feeding devices are dry feeding and wet feeding device. And some of the MCQs related to sedimentation with coagulation, feeding devices, dry feeding and wet feeding. In today's topic, we are going to talk about the treatment of water, session 23. The topics are mixing devices, in which mixing basins with baffle walls, flash mixer, flocculator, the working of flash mixer and flocculator, and some of the MCQs related to today's topic. Mixing device means after feeding of coagulants, it may be a dry feeding or wet feeding. The water should be thoroughly mixed with the solution or powder form coagulants. So we have seen feeding devices in the last session. In this session, we are going to talk about mixing devices of coagulants. So first one is mixing basins with baffle walls. This is the sketch of the mixing basin with baffle walls. Horizontal or round end type. So this is the inlet for raw water and coagulant. This is the outlet to flocculator. So these are the baffle walls. These are the baffle walls provided inside this mixing basin. So these baffle walls are provided to cause the hindrance and disturbance to cause the flow of water inside the basin. These are rectangular in shape and are divided by baffle walls. These baffle walls may either be provided in such a way as the water flows horizontally around their ends, one end to another end. The hindrances and the disturbance created by the provision of baffles in the path of flow. So this hindrances and disturbance which is created by these baffle walls in the mixing basin, so it gives sufficient agitation so as to cause necessary mixing to develop the flock. So for developing the proper flock or a good flock, these mixing basins are provided with the baffle walls. This is the sketch of the coagulant and raw water moves from one end to other end. So it comes down and moves horizontally and then again up and then horizontally again down, again horizontal, again up, again horizontal. Like this it goes on moving, and then again from here it goes to the end, other end, to the outlet, and next to the flocculator, next to the next treatment unit. Flash mixer. This is the flash mixer. This is the impeller shaft. This is the basin, rectangular basin. So provided with impeller and impeller shaft. So it moves circular. It consists of a rectangular tank which is provided with impeller fixed to an impeller shaft. The impeller is driven by an impeller shaft. The impeller is driven by an electric motor and it revolves at a high speed inside the tank. The coagulant is brought by the coagulant pipe and it is then discharged just under the rotating fan. The raw water is separately brought from the inlet end and is deflected towards the moving impeller by a deflecting valve. The thoroughly mixed water is taken out from the outlet channel. So this is the impeller with the impeller shaft. It is again in turn connected to this electric motor from where the this impeller shaft goes on rotating. So from the inside, from the inlet channel, water comes, and when the electric motor starts, so it goes on moving, goes on revolving at a high speed, and this is how the mixing is done in the flash mixer. Next topic, flocculator. After the thorough mixing of coagulants with water, the next operation is flocculation. After the mixing of coagulants in the mixing basin and in the flash mixer, so it is going to thoroughly mix it in the flash mixer. After that, it is the next operation is flocculator. This is the flash mixer chamber. This is the flocculation basin. So here impeller or paddles are provided to the vertical shaft. After flocculation is done inside the basin, it goes to the sedimentation chamber. It consists of a circular tank equipped with paddles revolving on a vertical shaft. The paddles operate at slow speed of 2 to 3 RPM. RPM means rotations per minute. So the paddles rotate or operate at an around of speed of only 2 to 3 rotations per minute. The water enters from the inlet and leaves outlet. The detention period varies from 30 to 60 minutes. From the entry of water till the exit of water, the detention period will be around 30 to 60 minutes. Here in this sketch, it is shown that raw water enters into the flash mixer chamber. So here mixing will be done. After thoroughly mixing, next operation is flocculation. Means what? The flocculation will be done here in the basin. Here first it will be at high speed, then it will be gradually lower to the medium speed and then gradually lower to the low speed. And next it is taken to the sedimentation chamber. This is how flocculation or flocculator works. Next topic is some of the MCQs. First question. In flocculator, the paddles operate at slow speed of dash. In flocculator, the paddles operate at a slow speed of 2 to 3 rotations per minute. 2 to 3 rotations per minute. Next question. Match the following with A to the B. A impeller shaft, paddles. B side flocculator, flash mixer. So impeller shaft, where the impeller shaft will be provided or in which tank the impeller shaft will be there, in which basin? Flash mixer. Paddles are provided in flocculator. So answer is for impeller shaft, flash mixer, that is 8 to 2, and paddles flocculator, B to 1. Next question. Usually mixing basins will be in the shape of dash. Answer. Usually the mixing basins will be in the shape of rectangular. Next question. In mixing basins, why the baffle walls are provided? For what reason baffle walls are provided? The baffle walls are provided to create hindrances and disturbances to create the path of flow and to give a sufficient agitation so as to develop the required or the necessary mixing to require a good flock. So as to cause mixing to develop the good flock. Next question. In flash mixer, the impeller is driven by an answer. In flash mixer, the impeller is driven by an impeller shaft. Impeller is driven by an impeller shaft. Next question. The detention period in flocculator varies from dash minute. The detention period in flocculator varies from 30 to 60 minutes. Flocculation done for around 30 to 60 minutes. Next question. In flocculator, for agitation, dash are provided. For agitating to get the good flock in flocculator, what are provided? So paddles are provided. To develop the required flock, paddles are provided. In flock, so the answer is in flocculator for agitation, paddles are required. That's all for today's session. We shall meet in the next session. Thank you.